like the moon without spot, tranquil and clear, his delight in life, in death, a Brahmin true and Arahant true. Dhammapad 413. He is like moon at the full, spotless and free of blemishes. He is pure, calm, severe, and exceptionally tranquil. He is unagitated. He has got rid of the craving that takes delight in the cycle of existence. That person, I declare, a true Brahmana, true Arahant, who, like the moon, unblemished, pure, is clear and limpid, and in whom delight in being is consumed, that one I call a Brahmin and Arahant true. Dhammapad 413. Sandong Bimalong Suddhong Vipassanno Manabilong Nandi Bhavo Parikhinong Tomaho Brumi Brahmanong. Dhammapad 413.
Ooh.